Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Honest Tech. Today we're diving into the exciting leaks of Realme's upcoming flagship, the Realme 16 Pro. From a brand new design to a massive 7000 mAh battery and a stunning 200 MP camera, this phone is shaping up to be a real game changer. So let's jump straight into the details. Realme is gearing up for its next flagship lineup, and one of the key models, Realme 16 Pro, has started making waves even before its official launch. The device, model number RMX, has appeared on TENAA, revealing both its major specifications and its first design preview. The images shared through the certification listing showcase a square-shaped camera island with rounded edges, housing a triple camera system accompanied by an LED flash. The phone adopts a flat frame design with a sleek, lightweight build, measuring 775 mm thickness and weighing about 192 grams, pointing toward a comfortable in-hand feel. On the front, the Realme 16 Pro is expected to sport a 678-inch AMOLED panel with a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, offering sharper visuals and improved brightness levels for multimedia and gaming. Under the hood, the TENAA listing suggests an unidentified 2.5 GHz octa-core chipset powering the device. It is further paired with Realme UI 7, built on top of Android 16, hinting at new UI features and better software optimization. For optics, the Realme 16 Pro is tipped to include a 200 MP primary camera, an 8 MP ultrawide sensor, and a high-resolution 50 MP selfie shooter. While a telephoto sensor isn't mentioned, it's still unclear whether Realme might integrate one in the final retail model. One of the biggest highlights is its massive 7000 mAh battery, supported by 80W fast charging, which should deliver impressive endurance and quick top-ups. The addition of an IR blaster also expands usability, allowing the phone to control various home appliances. Although Realme has not officially confirmed the Realme 16 series, these detailed TENAA leaks strongly indicate that the company is actively preparing its next flagship lineup. More information is expected to surface as the launch timeline approaches. That wraps up the latest leaks on the Realme 16 Pro. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AI Honest Tech, and turn on the notifications so you never miss upcoming tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.